Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Life in All Its Beauty. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than a tutorial, which is what I've normally been doing. And I'm actually going to do a yarn haul. So I haven't actually been posting about this on YouTube, but on my Instagram, I've been posting pictures of items that I've crocheted because I've been doing markets. Over the summer I did a weekly farmers market on Saturdays from 8 to noon, and then I also did a pumpkin fest sort of a deal as well, and that one was from 9 a.m. to about 1, when I left a little bit early because it was so cold. It was quite cold that day, not down to freezing, but it was raining and it was about probably 40 degrees max. So, alright ma'am. So today I wanted to do a yarn haul with Premier Yarns because this is what I typically use for the items that I crochet. I do a lot of plushies. And so I use Premier Parfait Chunky for most of what I do. I also used Just Chenille, which you can get from the Dollar Tree actually. Or you can buy it from Premier's website in cones, but I tend to like this chunky a little bit better just because it comes in more colors, at least, that are easily accessible to me, because at the Dollar Tree they don't keep a regular stock of colors. It's also a little bit thicker, so things work up bigger and faster, and I like that. So I got several colors to stock up what I was missing. And I just wanted to share a few things with you and what I'm planning on making with them. So first up, we've got this green. Christmas is coming up, so I definitely anticipate using this mostly for accessories on Christmassy type items, or even things like turtles. Turtles tend to be very popular, and really things like that, maybe stems for various plants. I don't use a whole ton of green. And Miss Rosie is back. She'll probably be with us most of the video. I don't use a ton of green, but I did need a little bit more. And I think I might have gotten 2 balls, but I don't remember. I forgot to say this color green is specifically called Emerald. Next up, we've got this toffee. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna make with this yet. There's definitely possibilities with animals. Oh, excuse me. There's definitely possibilities to make different kinds of animals. Like, I'm thinking maybe an otter or mice. I've got a mouse pattern that's super cute that I can link the pattern to in Etsy. So there's toffee. Next up, we've got teddy bear, which I will be using to make bears, and I also want to make maybe a gingerbread man with this. I'm not sure if it's going to be too light of a brown. I've also got a darker brown already that I might end up using, or maybe I'll do both. But this is toffee. And next up, we've got one of my heavy hitters. This one is Poppy, and this one's actually, it was out of stock, I think, for about a month on the Premier website that I go shop for, because I ordered these online. And so it was out of stock for a long time. I think I ordered 3 balls of this. I use this to make mushrooms. So on Instagram, there is a Chunky Boy, I don't remember what it's called. It's like Mushroom Chunky Boy or something like that. Very popular, super cute pattern, and I definitely recommend it. It's free over there. And so I will make sure I link that pattern as well, because I do it all the time and it's one of my best sellers at markets. Next up, we've got a bag of 3. So first we've got bubble gum. I'm going to be using this as well as this one, which is cotton candy. I'll be using these to make axolotls. And maybe some octopi. People seem to really like pink octopi. So axolotls and maybe a few octopi as well. And then I also got white. White is basic, use it for everything. With Christmas coming up, it'll be things like maybe candy cane type patterns, polar bears. For the mushrooms, I use this for the mushrooms. So many different things you can do with white, and I ordered, I think, 3 balls of this as well. Starting to run out of room up there. And here are 3 more balls of white, so it looks like I ordered 4 of them. Next up, we also have 3 more balls of poppy. Like I said, I use this red a lot, and I ran out, and I wasn't able to get it for a little while, so I ordered plenty. So I think I actually ordered 4 balls instead of the 3 like I originally thought. And then finally, I have light blue. And I use this to make jellyfish. I use this to make octopi. I make little octopus keychains using the pattern from All From Jade. And I can link that as well. It's a super quick make. You can do it depending on how fast you crochet, 20 to 30 minutes. Super simple, real quick, fun to make. So that's all I have for today, just the yarn that I purchased, and I wanted to open it up for you. It's always a lot of fun for me to get yarn in the mail. I think you all know the feeling. And I'm looking forward to maybe doing a few tutorials of patterns that I've done myself. I've got, you know, a bee pattern that I made, which is a basic pattern. You can find a million of them online. A jellyfish pattern, like a bigger octopi that I'll just freehand. I've got a ghost that I'll be doing probably for Halloween next year. Same thing, turtle I've done as well. There's so many different things, cute little plushies that you can make, and it's so nice with this yarn because it's, you know, soft, it's fuzzy, and kids love it. So if you are interested in doing markets, or if you want more information about the markets that I've done, go ahead and let me know, because I'd love to talk about that more. I haven't really, but I definitely think I will be doing at least one more video talking about the markets that I've done. But I want to get some more stock first because I've got another market coming up, and I think it would be fun. That one's in December, so I've got about a month. But I think it'd be fun to show you what I make, what I bring, all of that sort of a thing as I get ready for this market. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!